Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Grammar Intermediate Level Quiz. Identify the dangling modifier in the following sentence. Walking down the street, the flowers caught her eye. The flowers caught her eye while walking down the street. Walking down the street, her eye caught the flowers. Walking down the street, her eye caught the flowers. Choose the sentence with the correct use of a semicolon. I enjoy reading books. I find them fascinating. I enjoy reading books. They are fascinating. I enjoy reading books, and they are fascinating. I enjoy reading books. They are fascinating. Select the sentence with the appropriate subjunctive mood. If I was you, I would apologize. If I were you, I would apologize. If I am you, I would apologize. If I were you, I would apologize. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. His blank of humor made the situation more enjoyable. Sense, scent, scent. Sense. His sense of humor made the situation more enjoyable. Choose the correct use of the gerund. She is good at swim. She is good at swimming. She is good at to swim. She is good at swimming. Identify the sentence with the correct placement of adverbs. I quickly solved the problem. I solved quickly the problem. Quickly, I solved the problem. Quickly, I solved the problem. Select the sentence with the correct use of parallel structure. She likes skiing, hiking, and to ride bikes. She likes to ski, hike, and ride bikes. She likes skiing, hiking, and riding bikes. She likes to ski, hike, and ride bikes. What is the correct form of the verb? The team as well as the coach blank disappointed. Is, are, am. Are. The team as well as the coach are disappointed. Choose the sentence with the correct use of conditional tense. If it will rain tomorrow, the picnic will be cancelled. If it rains tomorrow, the picnic will be cancelled. If it would rain tomorrow, the picnic will be cancelled. If it rains tomorrow, the picnic will be cancelled. Select the sentence with the correct use of a participle phrase. The girl smiling waved at her friends. The girl to smile waved at her friends. The girl smiled, waved at her friends. The girl, smiling, waved at her friends. What is the correct preposition? He is skilled blank playing the guitar. in, at, with. At. He is skilled at playing the guitar. Identify the sentence with the correct use of ellipsis. I love ice cream, she said. 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 Choose the correct relative pronoun. The person blank won the award is my sister. Whom? Who? That. Who? The person who won the award is my sister. Select the correct article. She is blank best in the class. A. The. No article is needed. The. She is the best student in the class. Choose the correct article to complete the sentence. Blank apple a day keeps the doctor away. And the. No article is needed. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Select the sentence with the correct word order. Quickly he ran to the store. He ran quickly to the store. To the store he quickly ran. He ran quickly to the store. Identify the sentence with the correct use of an infinitive phrase. She decided leaving was the best option. She decided to leave was the best option. She decided that leaving was the best option. She decided that leaving was the best option. Choose the correct form of the verb. Neither the teacher nor the students blank aware of the change. Is, am, are. Neither the teacher nor the students are aware of the change. Identify the sentence with the correct placement of commas. In the middle of the night, she heard a strange noise. In the middle of the night, she heard a strange noise. In the middle of the night, she heard a strange noise. In the middle of the night, she heard a strange noise. Choose the sentence with the appropriate use of the colon. She had 3 goals to achieve: finishing her degree, traveling, and getting a job. She had 3 goals to achieve: finishing her degree, traveling, and getting a job. She had 3 goals to achieve: finishing her degree, traveling, and getting a job. She had 3 goals to achieve: finishing her degree, traveling, and getting a job.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.